এখানে আমাদের মারাঠি এবং হিন্দি রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীতের অনুষ্ঠান রবীন্দ্রসুধা এখানে শেষ হচ্ছে। I would like to call three participants, Rahul Limaye and Preeti Chitale and Namoparna. Please come. Give them a big hand. I think there is a miracle in this show because we really didn't have time to rehearse. We practically, we were not sure we will be able to do this show because we were not able to get the translations because Marathi translations are very difficult to find. So finally when we got everything and then we decided that we'll go for this, and practically we had 1 or 2 weeks on hand and we just poured it on them. Special thanks to Preeti and Rahul because they probably, this is the first time they are hearing the Rabindrasangit, and on top of that we are asking them to sing Marathi Rabindrasangit, which is even more difficult. So, and then Namoparna helped us getting the translation, and the whole effort was coordinated by Prashanjit Sengupta. So please give them a big hand. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, now Pradesh will say something about it. Sure.
There's nothing to say. Then thank you very much for coming here and performing for the Table Festival. On behalf of the steering committee, Table Festival steering committee, I would like to thank all of you for participating in this festival. Thanks.